everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign into your M&T Bank account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Start off by launching open a web browser, or you can also open up your M&T mobile application. Go to the URL box and type in www.3.mtb.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for M&T Bank. To log into your existing account, click on the login button at the top right corner. You will then come across the login interface on the next page. To log into your online banking account, simply go ahead and choose one of the tabs you would like to log in with, and then enter your credentials in the respective text boxes. Start off by typing in your user ID associated with your online banking account, and then head over to the next field and type in your correct passcode. If you don't remember your user ID, or if you need help with your passcode, click on Help with User ID or Passcode link and follow through the prompts. After you are done with the credentials, click Login and you will be signed into your M&T online banking account in no time. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.